guys, I'm here with a craft haul unboxing, sort of. I've kind of already unboxed it, but with a opening, should I say, from Beebeecrafts. Yeah, I actually reached out to them not long since and asked if they would be interested in collaborating again, and one of their representatives got back to me and said yes they would. So I ordered some things and they have arrived, so let's get into it, guys. Yeah, so I'm really excited. So yeah, as I said, I've already removed the packaging from the box, but this is what was inside the box, so I haven't touched it. This is exactly how it came, so you know, 10 out of 10 for packaging, for, you know, the way it was packaged. Yeah, there ain't nothing getting damaged with it like this, is there? So yeah. Anyway guys, how are you lot doing? We are still heatwave, you know, it's kind of not unusual at this time of year for us here in the UK to experience heat waves, but you know, we all just find it really surprising when it does happen. So we're all melting at the moment, although today's quite a cool day. Remove that because that's likely the invoice. Alright, I'm in it now, so oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. I can't even remember what I ordered, guys. Oh dear me. What is that? Seriously, I remember them and that and that. But I can't remember what I ordered, so I will just quickly have a peek at my invoice, which tells me absolutely nothing. Awesome. But I will have all the links and everything below anyway. Okie dokie. Oh, these, oh wow. I was so excited about these when I saw them. I was actually toying with the idea of getting them last time, but obviously I never did. Okay, so pretty self-explanatory. What is that? I can't remember. I'm pretty certain it's I'm positive it's some kind of paper for using with alcohol inks, I think. Wow, this is good, isn't it? I should have done my research before doing this video. I'm sure it is paper for alcohol inks. Positive it is. Oh, it's vellum. Yeah, yeah, it is. It's actually vellum. But obviously you can use it for alcohol inks and stuff. But yeah, so cool. Right, so basically it's vellum, which is fabulous. And let me check, there are 50 sheets in this, which is cool. Yeah, so that feels a bit different to the vellum that I have, so you know. But sorry guys, my phone's ringing. Okay, hey guys, back again. Something and nothing. But yeah, so like I say, it is vellum of some description. I will find the listing for it and pop all the relevant links to it below. This is only an unboxing today anyway, so when I do the actual like videos with using the products, I will have the correct information for you then. But yeah, so that's cool, and as I said, you get 50 pieces in that. And then I have this, which is obviously trim, as you can see, and it just says one card. It doesn't say how much there is, it just says one card, but it looks like there's a fair amount there to me. And oh, that is pretty. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Look at this, guys. And yeah, it's on a card, you know, so it's wrapped around a card, but there is a lot there. A lot. And I went for like a creamy colour so that it's more vintagey looking, but that is beautiful. That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, it feels amazing as well, you know, so you could cut along there and use them individually, and that individually, and even that individually. You could, you know, as you can see, there's a flower there. You could cut around that, use that as an applique. As I said, you can cut these out and use them individually as well. You could cut the top off and have a tiny little trim there. Oh my gosh, there's so much. Obviously you could use it as it is as well, but there is so much to be done with that. Oh my gosh, it is beautiful. That is just absolutely beautiful. I don't know if my lighting's doing it justice, but that is just stunning. I love it. Let's just have a quick look with the ruler. It is from the top of the lace to the bottom of the dangle. It is, let's have a see, about 3¼ inch. Wow, that is cool. So that's some fairly wide lace, which is awesome because that's something I don't have much of. Very, very little wide laces. But yeah, so wow, that is just beautiful. I'm speechless. I'm speechless, guys. It's gorgeous. It feels amazing. Just wrap that back up, and where has it gone? It's here hiding. Right, I'm just looking for my needle thing. I'm just going to pop a pin in there to keep that closed. My needle thing. That sounded bad, didn't it? My yeah, that my thing for putting needles in. That sounded so bad. Sorry, guys. But yeah, so like they say, it's on a card. How much there is, I don't know. It will more than likely say in the listing. So as I said, when I do the video, I will have the relevant information for that. Pin it downwards because the pin keeps popping out. Yeah, but that is beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Yeah, well, I can't stop touching it. And then we have some organza ribbon, 1 roll, and there is, it just says 1 roll. Oh goodness. Yeah, it just says 1 roll on it. There's a lot. So let's get the packaging off. Yeah, there's nowhere that says how much is on this roll, but that is a lot of roll. If I kind of bend that up a bit, you can see just how much is on that roll, considering how thick this organza ribbon is. You know, it's the thin ribbon, so you know there's a lot of stuff on there, a lot of stuff on there. That's a lot of ribbon. You know, your typical organza ribbon, which is awesome. I love the colour. I don't actually remember ordering green, but I'm not bothered. I might have done, I can't remember, it's been a while. Obviously Beebeecrafts, you know, their stuff comes from overseas and it takes a few weeks or so to get here, and then I've had it about a week now since, in fact, yeah, I think it was last Monday it came, but you know, I've had other stuff to do. So yeah, like I said, I don't actually remember ordering green. I might have done, I'm not sure, but I'm not bothered. Actually, I think I ordered clear, thinking, well, that'll go with any project. But you know, green is good. I'm not bothered. I will use it either way. Tag toppers and all sorts, fine by me. But these are what I wanted the most. And as I said, I very nearly ordered them with my first Beebeecrafts collaboration, but then I decided no. And got other stuff besides. And this just says 1 set. It doesn't give quantities, it just says one set, and it did come as a set. It was a pack of 2. I will, as I said, have all the relevant information on these products as and when I come to use them in the other videos that I do. Right now this is just an unboxing. I should have been more prepared really, but I was just excited to get it done, and I love this. Look at this. It was really wide, very fine lace, and it's gorgeous. Let me just get my piece of paper from underneath and then you can see it better, especially with it being white. Oh my gosh, that looks amazing across there. Now I just want to glue that straight on there and make a page out of it. That is beautiful. Wow, awesome. And so much potential with this, you know. You could cut it so that it's 1 strip, 2 strips, you know, or just amazing. Oh, that'd look awesome on a tag, just that bit. Wow, love it. Yeah, and like I said, it's a 2-pack, and you get white, and then you get this creamy ivory coloured one, so perfect for vintage. And this white one, I would imagine you can dye it like you do with any other lace and trims. We will try that. Especially now I have distress sprays and things to play with. But yeah, so that's the white one, and this is the creamy colour one. Oh wow, that is just beautiful. There's the creamy colour one. Again, oh, it just looks beautiful. Same pattern as well, but I love that. That would make an awesome giant, you know, like big pocket as well. Put it on a page and glue it down the sides, and then, yeah, oh, awesome. Which is also kind of why I wanted it, because I haven't got any really wide laces. But yeah, so, wow. Awesome. Yeah, so there we go guys. We have a pack of 2 really wide laces, then we have this beautiful trim. There's some fluff coming off them, and then we have this beautiful trim. Sorry, I think we're out of focus. This beautiful trim. We have some beautiful green organza ribbon. There is a lot on that. I can't get over how big that is. But yeah, so we have those, and then we have a pack of 50 sheets of vellum. Yeah, so, which I think they do have down as, I don't think they have it listed as vellum. I think they have it listed as alcohol ink paper or something like that. Which is what kind of drew me to it, because obviously not long since buying alcohol inks myself. I think, you know, when I saw it, I thought, oh, I'll give that a try. But it does, to me, just feel like vellum. So, yeah, we'll see. And there we go, guys. So that is my Beebeecraft haul collaboration for June 2021. And, yeah, so exciting. And there we go, guys. I shall be back soon with 2 tutorial style videos using these. And yeah, and there we go. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you Beebeecrafts for wanting to collaborate with me again. Yeah, and we'll see you all again soon, guys. Take care, stay safe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.